Hello, this is Ella King at Zoe Grace Salon. We are on day 3 of our hair, and I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to make it work a third day. It's not too dirty yet, so I can still wear it down, and that's what I want to do. I am going to use a slight amount of hot tools on it just to refine it. I went ahead and plugged in the curling iron, but first I'm going to put some dry shampoo. So yesterday I put the dry shampoo more through my part line and then around my face. Today I'm going to do that again, and I am using our Moroccan Oil Light. Here's the other thing I'm going to do for today. I'm going to bring it up and get under here a little bit so that I can get more lift. And I'm also going to get under here. This is the dry shampoo that I love. Not only the smell of it, but also it works phenomenal. They have a light tone and a dark tone. You can almost feel it a little damp, so I wait until it feels dry, and then I'm going to take my towel again and I'm going to wipe it back out. So not that I want to show you all this part of me, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to wipe it out, and you're going to be able to see on my towel the dirts and oils that are coming out. So it feels totally different when you use dry shampoo and you wipe it back out. Not too bad for today, but some days you just never know. So now that I have that done, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to brush through it since I am going to use hot tools on it. I'm just going to use a flat brush. We have these. These are by Ergo, and the one I'm having has Kin branding on it. Then I'm going to brush it. What I love about the Moroccan Oil dry shampoo is that it also lightens up your hair a little bit. So blondes, the biggest thing is when you feel like when it becomes dirty, it becomes darker. So it lightens your color up just a tad bit too. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray that heat protectant through it. I use a two-phase spray sometimes, and today I'm going to use the instant blowout spray. This has heat protectant up to 446 degrees. So I'm going to spray it especially through my blonde ends. I don't want to use any damage. Always shake it up. I'm going to brush that through again. Next I'm going to put my hot tool through my hair. And more around my face. I'm taking big sections. Totally, the product is completely dry in here. Don't want to keep it in there long. I don't want a ton of heat put on my hair. Again, if you can avoid using hot tools at all, unless it's the very first day that you wash it, and always use heat protectant then too, that is best for your hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little of my pomade. This is called Forming Wax. It has a medium hold, a medium shine. I'm going to just put it on my fingertips, and I took a very small amount. Then I'm going to break those curls up once they're completely set. What I mean by set, if you think about making chocolate candies. So first, you heat your chocolate up, right, to melt it. Then you're going to put your chocolate in a mold. Same thing with your hair. You're heating it up. You're putting it in a mold, whether that mold be a curl, whether it be straight, whether it be up and away from your scalp because you want volume. You have to let that chocolate completely cool down inside that mold. If you let the chocolate out too soon, it loses its shape. It doesn't have time to set and form. Same thing with your hair. If you let your hair out too soon from that mold, and you don't let it completely set and cool down, it's going to lose its shape. It won't be able to maintain it and hold it. So for the best styling results possible, always let it set. So the set time for hair to completely cool is actually 20 minutes. You can also speed that up with the cool shot of your blow dryer. Most blow dryers have cool shots. I know the ones that we sell definitely have cool shots. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the forming wax. I have it on my fingertips. I'm going to break these up a little bit. And I twist. So I break the section up, but then I twist each of them back into place. So for third day hair, what I love to use is our precision powder. The reason being is it has a little less hold and I can get a little more precise with it. I am building up product in my hair, which the product that we have at the salon is amazing for that, right? And this line, I've been able to extend my washes more than any other line that I've used. So this has a little less hold to it, which is why I like to use this on the third day. See how it has a very precise shot that you can use. And because I already did separate my hair, do just a couple little squirts. I don't want to, I'm going to have to redefine. I don't want to mess it all up. Make sure you get in the back. Make sure you get in the middle. I'm getting underneath my root area. Okay, so one thing that I love about this product is we all know that throughout the day your hair goes so, or if you have really curly, coarse hair, it's going to get Anyway, for those of you who your hair flattens through the day, this is an amazing product because through the day you can reactivate it. You come underneath by your scalp where you have the product, where you have the volume powder, and you will rub it and lift it always up and under, and you're lifting. And it brings the volume right back in your hair. So at any point in time through the day, you have an important meeting, you're going in, fluff, and then your volume's back. So the last product I'm going to use today is the humidity shield. So I'm going to put this on. This is the last thing I'm going to use for today. This is day number 3, and I am so glad that you're going through this hair journey with me.